So that's right, we are in lockdown, and before I start part 2 of my guide to surviving lockdown, I need to throw out an apology. In the first of the surviving lockdown videos, I rated my neighbours' cars out of 10.
6, 3, 0, 5, out of 10.
One of my neighbours was, let's say, not satisfied with the ratings I gave both their Ford Mondeo and Hyundai Getz. Now, what I will do is up the rating of the Mondeo to a 6 from a 5 for having additional boot space. Unfortunately for the Getz, that is staying at a 2. It just has to. But without further ado, welcome to part 2. So, Project Sulk, my R53 at this moment in time, is still a static filming studio. That's all it is, that's all it's capable of, and hopefully it will be fixed very soon. So how am I going to survive lockdown? What's another point of surviving lockdown? Have I exhausted the opportunities of rating my neighbours' cars out of 10? No, I did miss some off, so, you know, I've got a bit of fun left when it comes to rating my neighbours' cars. Number 2 is, come out, sit down in your car, don't even turn the engine on. Just sit there and think, what can I spend my money on next? What modifications can I make? If money was no object, let me dream away for modifications. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So you need to get yourself nice and calm and then just start dreaming. Obviously with your eyes open, you look mental otherwise. Coilovers. Oh, coilovers. How I want some coilovers. And it's that easy. Just dream. I mean, you know, dream again. Let's go. Oh, a Newman cam. A new camshaft. A Newman camshaft. Maybe even a cat camshaft. Oh, you know, then injectors alongside it. Oh, imagine that. And then a tune, a remap. Imagine the performance gains. Could I get close to my magic figure that I want? Could I? Will I? And then dream some more. Oh, but with extra power comes extra responsibility. I need better brakes. Oh, a big brake kit. Yes, please. Oh, come on, big brake kit. Come to me. Even if it's a cheaper one, like the Budwig caliper based kit. Oh, big brake kits, please. Please come to me. Oh, how lovely. Oh, I mean, just imagine if you had the spare money that you could, you know, just make those performance upgrades to your car. But, you know, in the meantime, when you can't, when you haven't got the money, when, you know, a lot of you are going to be furloughed and not earning quite what you would have earned had you been working, you know, it's nice to just imagine. It's a nice thing to sit there in your lovely car, whether it's an R53 or whether it's a Ford Mondeo or my wife's Ford Focus or the awful Corsa next to me there. Whether it's any of those sort of cars, just sitting here and thinking about what could be in the future. I mean, you can definitely waste a good few minutes of lockdown just away from your family, sat in your metal grief cave, thinking about, oh, if it only worked, if it just worked, if it just drove. Oh, and the benefits I'd get from spending more and more money on it. It'll help get you through lockdown, I'm sure. So I hope you enjoyed part 2 of surviving lockdown. If you did, definitely put a thumbs up, maybe even leave a comment and subscribe. Of course, subscribe, because, you know, I'm nothing without you people watching me. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you. and well done for that.